So does that keep the weeds from growing?
They grow like mad.
So what are you doing there? What do you call that? When you just scrape the top like that a little bit?
Uh, Loosen out the dirt so actually some air gets to it and it will grow, expand, and if you let it get too far, it well will not grow right like it should.
So what are you working on there? What kind of vegetable is that?
Onions.
That's onions?
These are onions.
Oh, I can actually kind of smell it.
Yeah. Actually, it does not pay to do it. You can buy them so much cheaper. But I told Marie she can take them. Oh, some of them are sweet onions. See, this is squash zucchini. This is,
With the big leaves?
yeah, this is dill, onions, carrots, spinach, lettuce. And these are beans here.
These are the carrots here?
Yeah.
And what's
No,
point?
here.
Those are the carrots.
Yes. See?
Oh, here, let me see. Well, that's what I call a baby carrot.
Yeah. And then I have parsnip, parsley, lettuce again, and then I got seed, tomatoes and potatoes, eggplants, cucumbers.
So what are on the sticks? The first ones are tomatoes.
Yeah,
2 rows of tomatoes.
yeah.
And then 2 rows of what?
Oh, I have a lot of peppers.
Peppers.
I have hot peppers, sweet peppers, bell peppers. See, those are the hot ones. Over on the other end are the sweet ones. And then I have bell peppers, corn, and my potatoes. And here I got squash. That is butternut squash. That's for Thanksgiving usually what we eat.
And you have some corn over there too, huh?
Yeah. And it didn't come up too good. So it will be late.
So why is it late this year?
Rain. Too much rain.
Too much rain?
Yeah. It rotted, the seed rotted in the ground. And potatoes too. The potatoes are coming. See, those came out fast with the flowers.
Those are potatoes?
Yeah.
So what's in this row here right in front of you?
Beans. Now up to here, they're green beans, and over there are yellow beans. It's
Now what's in this next row? What would be here? In this row?
well, those are all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows of potatoes.
These are all potatoes?
Yeah.
Well, how come those potatoes have flowers and these potatoes don't?
When it rained, those didn't die. These kind of rotted in the ground.
So did you have to replant them all?
Yes, I did, yeah. And some of them are earlier than other potatoes.
Did you replant all the corn too?
No, the tall one is older, and the short one is I just planted that about 3 weeks ago. And then I mentioned to you I got squash here and squash here. That will spread and go all over the potatoes and so on. And they are the yellow ones, about this long. Very good.
Now, what kind of potatoes are this?
These are Yukon. Then I got some Michigan potatoes, and they're called Onaway. And then I got some red potatoes. I don't know what they're called. I bought then whatever I could get. Potatoes are hard to buy. People don't like to plant them.
You have to go to Idaho to get your potatoes, huh?
I've been in Idaho. Boy, they have underground, you know, they cover them up. And they're from here to that barn. Some of them, you know, just potatoes. And they keep them underground and cover them up and keep them cool, and then they sell them as they're needed. I used to plant all other kind of stuff, like kohlrabi. Let me see what else. Oh, cauliflower. Man, I got huge heads, cauliflower and Brussels sprouts, but we don't eat too much anymore. And the girls are gone, and